If you're a business owner using YouTube to get clients, you should stop trying to optimize everything. Because the old way of doing YouTube is for content creators, which is every video must have a winning idea, outlier, title, and thumbnail. If it doesn't exist, don't do it. That's what the YouTube gurus say. But the problem with this approach is that it's designed for content creators. Content creators don't really have anything to sell. They just want to get as many views as possible because that's how they get paid. But you're a business owner. You have something to sell. You're using YouTube to promote your thing. If you follow the content creator advice, you're going to end up becoming a trend follower. But if you're a leader in your niche, you want to be known for your original thoughts. But copying outliers, you won't be seen as an industry leader. But I get it, we do still need to get some views in the first place, so people would want to watch our content. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what you should do if you're a business owner getting started on YouTube to get clients. So I'm going to start with a story of a client in my school community. I was helping him launch a new channel. This guy is a software developer, and he asked me for feedback for his first video. So I gave him the feedback. It was something that I wish I had when I was starting out, but he said, well, do I really have to do all these optimizations for my title, my thumbnail, and my hook? Because if I do all this, I feel like the video is not naturally me, and it will make me really slow to produce more videos. For most coaches, they would be offended because why are you not listening to me? I had a little bit of that feeling coming up when I saw his response to my feedback. But then I thought long and hard a little bit that this must be the feeling that a lot of new business owners would feel if they're starting a YouTube channel to get more clients. They feel overwhelmed with all the optimization tricks and tips and all the formulas that all these YouTube gurus tell us that we have to follow if we want our videos to work. So I told them this: the feedback that I gave you for your hook, title, and thumbnail doesn't mean that I'm right, but it is based on my experience running YouTube for 5 years. It is the feedback that I wish I had when I was starting out. But maybe it's not the right advice for you right now because you're just starting out your YouTube channel. And when you're just starting out, you want to get into the habit of producing videos. If it makes you feel like you don't want to be bogged down by all these optimizations, just post whatever you want. Get 10 videos out there, and after a while, YouTube is going to tell you which of these 10 videos are people resonating more with. You're going to start seeing a pattern. And from there, we can see which of the videos people click on and which of the videos people listen the most of. And from there, we can make a data-driven decision of what to do next in your channel. So this is my channel. And if you go under videos, we can see that these are my latest videos that some are okay. But if we filter through popular, we start to see these 6 videos right here. And if you analyze it, why people want to watch these videos and really study these, you would start to see patterns. So for example, I see patterns that people resonate with the type of videos that tell them there's a newer, better way to do something faster. Your audience want this new editing style. My audience know they gotta edit, but they also know it's a lot of work. So I'm telling you that they need this new editing style. So they click on it. How to read your script while recording without the teleprompter. So this indicates that the audience know they have to do something for their business when it comes to YouTube. So they think they need to use a teleprompter, but this video is saying that you don't need that. That's why they click. There's an easier way. It's the same with this. They know they have to make this thing called a VSL. Business owners understand that. And then here comes my video telling that I've done my VSL and it got me $19,000 worth of client revenue. They naturally want to know, how did you do this? So you start to see a pattern here where my audience resonate with tactical solutions for business owners. They all think they have to do something like this specific thing that is a lot of effort, but then the video is like, no, there's an easier, better way to do it. So that's data from YouTube and my audience. So rather than me figuring out like, oh, I got to copy other people's viral outliers, instead of doing that, I'm now just looking at my channel data, and it's giving me patterns that they know they have to do something technical when it comes to YouTube for their business. They know it's a lot of work. So I need to make a video on how to tell them that you don't have to do that hard thing. There's an easier way to do it. Once you have a bit of data like this is showing you hard data of what is resonating with my audience, then you can optimize your videos for the hook, title, and thumbnail based on what's already working. But if you're just starting out, you need to start posting, get some reps in, publish a bunch of videos. Publish 10 videos minimum, and then you start to see patterns. Now, if you want YouTube to suggest your videos more, I suggest you watch this video next.